Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make 干しエビとニラのチャーハン. It's fried rice with dried shrimp and garlic chive. Very simple fried rice, but the dried shrimp is full of umami that makes the whole dish so flavorful. It's very simple and easy, so you can whip it up in no time. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this fried rice, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 3 to 4 rice packs. I'm using only 3 because this is a big eater size that I made for my son. Some garlic chive, as much as you like, or you can use regular chive. 4 eggs, 20 grams of dried shrimp, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and some salt and pepper. This is a closer look of the dried shrimp. For fried rice, it's better to use the rice you cooked on the day before or earlier. Freshly cooked rice is too moist and too good for fried rice. As always, let's do all the cutting first. So garlic chive. Cut the bottom end off just a little bit because it's dried. Cut them into half, put them together. Let's just make thin slices. Beat the eggs in a bowl. Let's microwave the rice packs so that it's nice and hot and easier to break down into pieces. This is a rice straight out from the fridge, and this is a rice I microwaved. This one is hard, but this one is softer and easier to fall apart. Let's take them out in a bowl. All the ingredients are ready, so it's time to make it into fried rice. Heat up about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan over high heat. It's high heat throughout the whole process. Once the frying pan is smoking hot, add the eggs, and while the egg is still runny, add the rice. Egg is well cooked, so let's season it with some salt and pepper. Then chive and shrimp. Make a hole in the middle and soy sauce. Burn it. Then mix well. This is to add nice toasty flavor to the rice. Cue the heat and it's done. So quick. Let's serve on the plate. And 干しエビとニラのチャーハン is ready to go. Time for the tasting. You can see how fluffy it is. Iただきます。It's simply so good. I really hope you can find the dried shrimp at your local Asian grocery stores to try this. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 干しエビとニラのチャーハン goes here, and let's have 白菜と豚バラのスープ here. These dishes contain enough protein and vegetables, so let's pass the main and one of the side dishes. Some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other side, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!